Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at a Chinese learning app called Chinese Skill. Let's check it out. Chinese Skill is available on Apple Store, Google Store, and for direct download, and we'll put a link below for you to be able to get that. Just look for the cute panda along with the Chinese Skill logo. The app is mostly free, and one of the great things about it is you can actually download all the lessons, so you can go about your day trying these lessons without using up your data. Make sure that when you first get the app to sign up so you can track your progress in your language learning. Chinese Skill has a systematic approach that means that you get to learn grammar, vocabulary, reading, writing, listening and speaking skills all through a natural progression using games. Let's have a look at one of those games now. So this is a random lesson about sentence structure. So I'll retake this one. So this one is going to give you the pinyin and the actual Chinese characters, and you have to choose which one is correct. Then the next stage, you actually have to put a sentence order together. And there's going to be a variety of these games, and they're mixed up with the different language. Also, there's the writing component. So you can either follow the directions, you can try to write it just yourself, or you can watch a video of how it works. If this is not something for you, you can just skip it. What you'll notice is if you skip something or you get an incorrect answer, then unfortunately you lose one of your pandas. Oh no, you lose all your pandas, you have to redo the lesson. You don't just do Chinese characters though, you actually can type in the pinyin of these characters to give a complete answer. So you get to try both avenues of Chinese writing, both the characters and the pinyin. Oh no, lost all pandas. There's lots of reviews and lessons for you to progress through, and it progressively gets harder and harder, and it's a great way to learn Chinese. Another component of this is the review, so you can actually see what vocab and grammar you have used, and you can go into that and review specific areas if you want to. And there's also Chinese games, tone games and stuff like that, but generally these tend to be premium, so you have to purchase those. And there's also immersion lessons, like video lessons and that sort of thing, but again, they're generally what you have to pay for. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video about Chinese Skill. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Bye bye.